So today we are discuss about the plant ecology. So according to Ian Warming. So according to Ian Warming scientist, Ian Warming. So generally plant communities are divided into the three types. So plant communities are divided into three types. So what are the three types of plant communities? So number one is hydrophytes. Hydrophytes. Number two is xerophytes. Number three is mesophytes. So according to Ian Warming, generally plant communities are divided into the three categories. So it is hydrophytes, xerophytes and mesophytes. So first we are discuss about the hydrophytes. So what is hydrophytes? So hydrophytes means it is generally grown in soil, moist area. Moist area, water. Okay? So that is called hydrophytes. So hydrophytes are generally grown in water only. Water or hydrophytes. So these are generally grown in only water or moist soil. Water or moist soil. So that is called hydrophytes. So again these hydrophytes are divided into 5 categories. Okay? Again these hydrophytes are divided into 5 categories. So number one is free floating hydrophytes. Free floating hydrophytes. So what is free floating hydrophytes? So these are generally free float on water surface. So these are hydrophytes means these are generally grown in water or wet area. Okay, moist side. So again, what is the free floating hydrophytes? Freely float on water surface. These plants are freely float on water surface. So these type of plants is called free floating hydrophytes. So these are generally grown in water surface. Okay, so they do not touch the substratum or mud, and they do not touch the soil or mud or substratum. So they freely float on water surface. So that is called free floating hydrophytes. For example, so this is the water. For example, this is Pistia. What is example? Pistia. Example Pistia, Iconia, Lemna, Wolffia, Azolla, Marsilia. So these are all free floating hydrophytes. These plants are all free floating hydrophytes. Pistia, it means Antardhamara antamana. Iconia, it means Gurram Teka. So Lemna, free float and water surface. Wolffia, smallest angiosperm Wolffia. Azolla, pteridophyte, biofertile plant. Azolla, Marsilia, this is also pteridophyte plants. So these are all free float on water surface. Free float on water surface. This is water surface. Free float on water surface. They do not touch the substratum. The root system, they do not touch the substrate. So substratum or mud. Substratum or mud. Okay. So these type of plants is called free floating hydrophytes. So for example, Pistia. So this is Iconia. So these are free floating in water surface. So you see మీరు చెరువులో చూశారు కదా free float on water surface. గుర్రపు డెక్క అంటారు తెలుగులో. హైకార్నియా ఇది ఫిష్ కూడా ఉంటుంది. So why it is called గుర్రపు డెక్క? It means it look like horseshoe shape. Leaf look like horseshoe shape. So that's why it is called గుర్రపు డెక్క. Okay. So hydrophytes. So these are generally free float on water surface. So that's why this is the free floating hydrophyte plant. So and azolla also. This is azolla. This is azolla. You see this azolla. Okay, pteridophyte plant, azolla pinnata. Azolla pinnata. So pteridophyte plant. These biofertilizer, used as biofertilizers and nutrition food value. They feed to cattle and hens, sheep. Okay, so very nutrition values. These also free float on water surface. So generally this is free float on water surface. Okay, so this is floating. Free floating hydrophytes. Okay, so this is azolla. This is also free floating hydrophytes. And this Marsilia pteridophyte plant. So this is also free floating hydrophyte. Okay, free floating hydrophytes. Free floating hydrophyte.